Hello there, so today I'm going to open a COVID-19 food package from England. So when you buy it and for wherever you're coming from and you have to go to England, you need day 2 and day 8, and so if you get a package it's going to be pretty expensive. So it comes in one bag actually, and I already opened. You come in this large bag, and then you have these 2 bags inside. So that's your pre-testing material, and then you're gonna have to listen. So it's pretty light. I myself never actually seen it because it's the first time I actually ordered one of those. Here, you need a hand.
Okay.
So we're gonna open the first package. Lay it over here. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So you have the swab testing stick, and you have a sticker, and you have a pad, and then you have a box